Have you been wondering how to copy or duplicate a custom YouTube thumbnail for your next video? Hi, I'm Tina Hughes, the founder of the Video Marketing Starter Pack for Small Business and the author of 50 Marketing Secrets of Successful Women. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a duplicate thumbnail in Canva in 5 steps, so your videos will all have the same style and look great on your YouTube channel. If you want access to my little training course on how to kickstart your YouTube channel, stay till the end and I'll show you how. Let's get started. Step 1, log into your canva.com account. Step 2, choose the thumbnail you want to duplicate. In the top right hand corner of that image, click the little down arrow and select Make a Copy. The duplicate thumbnail now appears on the dashboard. All you have to do is click it to open it in a new window. Step 3. Now you can click on any of the text or image elements to edit them. In my example, I'm going to change the words which appear on the screen, getting ready for my new video to be uploaded to YouTube. Step 4. Rename the image to match the keyword phrase of the new video and click the Download as JPEG button. Step 5. Upload your video to YouTube and then upload the custom image. Bravo, you're done. I hope you enjoyed this little video showing you how to create a duplicate custom thumbnail image for a YouTube video in Canva. If you've got any older videos who could do with a makeover, create new custom thumbnails for them too and give your YouTube channel a real boost. And if you'd like to watch my free training course on how to kickstart your YouTube channel, the link is below in the description. After you've done the course, do pop back over here and post a comment. Let me know which bit you enjoyed the most. If you like this video, please do hit the like button below and click the little bell to be the first notified when I make new videos. Share this with your friends and be sure to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. This is Tina Hughes from teenahughesonlinedotcom. Ciao, ciao for now.